Xiaomi has once again raised the bar for fitness trackers with its latest Smart Band 10, combining premium design with advanced health tracking features in its slimmest, lightest form factor yet. Alongside this impressive wearable, the company also unveiled an adorable accessory, the robot table dock, that transforms your Smart Band into a charming desktop companion. Let's explore everything these innovative products have to offer. The Xiaomi Smart Band 10 represents a significant evolution in the popular fitness tracker line. The most noticeable upgrade is the expansive 1.72-inch AMOLED display, with symmetrical ultra-thin bezels measuring just 2.0 millimeters. This design achievement increases the screen-to-body ratio to 73%, up from 66% in the previous generation, providing more usable space while maintaining the band's compact dimensions. The display shines at 1500 nits peak brightness to 25% brighter than before, ensuring perfect visibility even in direct sunlight, and now features a smoother 60 Hz refresh rate for more fluid interactions. Xiaomi has completely rethought the band's construction, introducing a premium sandblasted aluminum alloy frame that gives it a jewelry-like quality, while keeping weight down to just 15.95 grams without strap. The slim profile measures only 10.95 millimeters thick, excluding the heart rate sensor bulge, making it one of the most discreet fitness trackers on the market. For those seeking even more luxury, Xiaomi offers a ceramic edition with a pristine white ceramic frame and matching clasp. Personalization options are extensive, with 6 quick-release strap designs that can be swapped in seconds. Choices range from sporty TPU bands in midnight black, glacier silver, and mystic rose to more premium options like the feather brown silk wear-upon strap that combines natural silk with genuine leather for breathable comfort. The most unique accessory is undoubtedly the pearl chain pendant, a crystal pearl bracelet that can be worn for different ways, though it does disable some tracking functions in necklace mode. Health and fitness tracking sees major improvements with upgraded sensors and algorithms. The band now supports over 150 sports modes, including an enhanced swimming mode that achieves 96% accuracy in lap counting, thanks to a new 9-axis sensor and AI stroke recognition. For the first time, swimmers can monitor their real-time heart rate underwater, with the band's 5 ATM water resistance allowing use at depths up to 50 meters. Cyclists will appreciate the heart rate broadcast feature that sends real-time data to compatible bike computers. Sleep tracking gets smarter with personalized guidance developed in collaboration with international sleep organizations. The band provides detailed sleep reports, scores your sleep quality, and even offers a 21-day improvement plan based on your patterns. All-day health monitoring covers heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, and women's health tracking with alerts for abnormal readings. Despite the slim design, battery life remains impressive. At up to 21 days of typical use, 9 days with always-on display enabled, or 8 days under heavy load. This endurance comes from upgraded low-power hardware and intelligent power management algorithms. The band also features an improved linear motor for more nuanced vibration feedback. Integration with Xiaomi's ecosystem has been enhanced through HyperOS 2. The new Xiaomi Smart Hub lets you control connected devices like earbuds directly from the band, checking battery levels, adjusting volume, or locating misplaced phones and tablets. Notifications, calendar events, and weather updates all appear at a glance. Now let's turn to the charming robot table dock, an accessory that brings personality to your Smart Band 10. It's also compatible with Band 8 and 9. This clever dock transforms your wearable into a miniature smart display by housing the removable tracker module in a cute robot-shaped stand. The helmet portion holds your Smart Band securely, while displaying the time, notifications, and music controls. Though it looks like a toy, the robot table dock has practical features. It includes a small speaker powered via USB-C that plays your music, while keeping the band charged. Various animated faces give your robotic companion different expressions and moods. At just 199 yuan, about $24, it's an affordable way to repurpose your Smart Band when you're not wearing it. The dock's compatibility with multiple Smart Band generations makes it particularly appealing for existing Xiaomi wearable users. Simply pop out the tracker from your band strap and snap it into the dock to switch between wrist-worn and desktop modes instantly. This flexibility means your fitness tracker can pull double duty as both health monitor and desk assistant. Back to the Smart Band 10's technical specifications, the device runs on Xiaomi's proprietary OS, rather than Wear OS, which helps explain its exceptional battery life. It pairs with both Android 8.0 Plus and iOS 14.0 Plus devices through the Mi Fitness app, though some features like the Smart Hub are exclusive to Xiaomi HyperOS 2 devices. The band includes standard fitness tracker functions like Find My Phone, music control alarms, timers, stopwatch, flashlight, and weather display for athletes. The running courses and real-time pace guidance provide structured training, while the Pebble mode conserves battery during long activities. The band even includes a compass for outdoor adventures, a rare feature in this product category. Xiaomi has clearly designed the Smart Band 10 to appeal to both fitness enthusiasts and fashion-conscious users. The premium materials and extensive strap options allow it to transition seamlessly from workout sessions to formal occasions. The ceramic and metal options in particular give it a sophistication rarely seen in fitness trackers at this price point. The robot table dock, while more whimsical, demonstrates Xiaomi's creativity in expanding the functionality of its wearables. By transforming the Smart Band into a desktop device, it ensures your tracker remains useful even when you're not actively wearing it, solving the common problem of fitness bands sitting unused on nightstands. Together, these products showcase Xiaomi's dual strengths in wearable technology, serious health tracking capabilities, combined with playful, user-friendly design. The Smart Band 10 builds on the success of previous models, with meaningful upgrades to display quality, tracking accuracy, and battery life, while maintaining the accessible pricing that has made the series so popular for consumers considering the Smart Band 10. The decision may come down to whether they prioritize the premium materials of the standard aluminum version or the unique aesthetics of the ceramic edition. Both offer identical functionality, allowing users to choose based on style preferences. The wide variety of strap options ensures there's a look for every taste and occasion. As for the robot table dock, its appeal lies in its novelty and practicality. While not essential, it adds character to your Smart Band when not in use and provides a convenient way to keep it charged and visible on your desk. The affordable price makes it an easy addition for Xiaomi wearable fans. In the competitive fitness tracker market, the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 stands out by offering premium features and materials typically found in more expensive devices. Its combination of advanced health monitoring, stylish design, and exceptional battery life makes it a compelling option for both fitness enthusiasts and casual users looking for a capable, unobtrusive wearable. The robot table dock, while more of a niche accessory, demonstrates Xiaomi's commitment to innovation and ecosystem building. By creating accessories that extend the functionality of its core products, Xiaomi encourages brand loyalty and provides users with more ways to integrate their devices into daily life. As wearable technology continues to evolve, Xiaomi's latest offerings show how the category can mature, moving beyond basic fitness tracking to deliver both serious health insights and delightful user experiences. The Smart Band 10 represents the state-of-the-art in affordable fitness wearables, while the robot table dock points to creative new directions for how we interact with these devices. For consumers invested in Xiaomi's ecosystem, these products offer seamless integration with other devices and services. For those new to the brand, they provide an accessible entry point to Xiaomi's growing lineup of smart health and lifestyle products. Either way, the Smart Band 10 and its quirky robot table dock companion make a compelling case for Xiaomi's approach to wearable technology, one that balances functionality, fashion, and fun.